Hello, my name is Coalesce. I'm a PhD student from, I'm living in Madrid, Spain, from Comillas University, also IIT, the Instituto de Investigación Tecnológica. I'm in the bioengineering group, so I'm attending this conference because I'm working with 3D printing to design and manufacture 3D direct resonators by 3D printing. The conference was really interesting because you can get knowledge from other people that they are using different techniques. In this way, can help you to improve some results or to use some other methods for my experiments. And overall, it was really nice and exciting conference. I'm glad to be here.